In this question, we are given this equation with two terms adding up to 0, where x and y are real numbers. And we need to find the value of x and y. The problem is we have a single equation, but there are two variables. So let's see how we can find the value of two variables from this single equation. Look at the first term. What do you think? What should be the minimum value of this term? See, the power is 2. Yes, that means the minimum value of this term will be 0. It can never go less than 0. It can never be negative. Yes. Similarly, look at the second term. Second term also has the power 2. That means the minimum value of this term also be 0. Yes. So the minimum value of this term will also be 0. Please see that two terms are adding up to 0. As I have told you, these two terms can never be negative. Both of them will be positive, correct? Or 0. Now, there are no two positive numbers which can add up to 0. That means both of these terms will be 0 to satisfy this equation. So, this will turn out to be 4x square minus y square is equals to 0. I told you why both of them are 0. Yes, because only 0 and 0 can add up to 0. No two positive numbers can add up to 0. Similarly, this will also be 7x plus 3y minus 39 equals to 0. Let's solve the first equation further. This will give us y is equals to 2x or y is equals to negative 2x. Correct? So these are the two possible values of y. Now let's use y equals to 2x in this equation. If we use y as 2x, what we will get? 7x plus 3 times 2x minus 39 is equals to 0. This will give us 13x is equals to 39, which will give us x as 3. This will give x as 3. Now x is 3 when y is equals to 2x. Yes, from here we can find the value of y as well. So if x is 3, y will be 2 times 3, which will be 6. Correct? That means one possible value of x and y is when x is 3, y is 6. So one possible solution for x and y is 3, 6. Correct? Now similarly, we can find another solution from y equals to negative 2x. Yes, let's try this. Let's substitute y equals to negative 2x into this equation. This will give us 7x plus 3 times negative 2x minus 39 is equals to 0. If we solve this, what we will get? We will get x is equals to 39. Now, when x is 39, y was negative 2x. Yes, when y is negative 2x, x is 39. That means what will be y? Y will be negative 2 times 39, which will give us y is equals to negative 78. Correct? So one more possible solution we have found out, that is when x is 39, y is negative 78. Right? So these are the two possible solutions. We will summarize it on the leftmost side. The answer for this question is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 6. X is equals to 39 and y is equals to negative 78. So these are the two possible solutions of x and y.